Hi everyone, this is my 1987 Rx7 rebuilt engine, Megasquirt 2 V3 board. Trying to set the timing. As you can see here, I have the racing beat pulley. I'm on the second timing mark. That should be 0 degrees or top dead center. Here is my crank sensor. As you can see, oh wait, that's not a good view. From here you can see that the teeth are right at the outside edge, so I am stabbed correctly. I don't know if my gear was put in backwards, but in order to get that, it has to be slid basically all the way to the right. Yeah, so the other thing I found out, when I take my handy dandy wrench and I crank one full revolution here, and there's one full revolution back at top dead center, or quote unquote top dead center, according to being at 9 o'clock or whatever. Now the little dot is on the bottom left instead of the top, bottom left instead of the top right. Now, if I go and try and start, I will include my tune file as well. Okay, let's get a good view here. That's pretty good. Fuel pump primes. Megasquirt comes on. That's me mess with the crank settings. Let it go off. Turn it back on. Try and clear the flood if it's flooded. Thinks it's low on coolant because of the way the V-mount is mounted. It's not low on coolant. I can smell gas, so there's definitely fuel. You can hear it wants to start. No, I got nothing. So, what do you think?